Wow. Do I feel special? I just logged on to the G-Shock website just so I could read off some of their pitchiness marketing to you. Not knocking it, obviously. I am especially a GA2100 fan, a G-Shock fan, especially CASIO fan. Also AP fan. Should have brought the APs out for this, but I think this is a good backdrop. We've got the doggos, the pups out there. These guys are 13 weeks. So just gonna do our thing, all right? First and foremost, comment down below. I'll be giving away watches, knives, goat links, actually. Got some of these. Comment down below, anything, and who knows, you might get lucky. You might get a watch, you might get a little knife. I have a lot of this stuff, so I'm gonna be giving it away. Multi-tool, slings, all that fun stuff. Comment down below, anything you want, the funnier the better. Get down in that comment section and interact and see what it's all about. But we're gonna unbox this. I've done a lot of unboxings today. And these goat links, by the way, little Toyota grills, pretty dope. If you have a Toyota, it makes sense. Let's get into it. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. It's a sacrifice to the watch gods, the timepiece gods, to appease them. They're noble and fair. Let's check this out. Typical CASIO G-Shock box, which what that tells me is that's what I thought we were gonna get. The old case. You got your stuff down there. Typical CASIO tin. International warranty card, along with your warranty regulations and whatnot. We're not gonna get into that, obviously. So, obviously we got the GA2100-V. What is it? I'll show you in a second. Oh, here we go. You guys ready for this? I don't know, I'm not ready for this. This is a $99 watch, and it is my favorite watch. You see the Christmas tree lights in the background. Versus any other watch I own. Out of the, I've owned watches. My perp calendar is the most expensive one I've owned. Which honestly, funny enough, this $99 watch, all my G-Shocks are the most expensive watches I own because I put $100 into it, I lose that money immediately. I pay $135 for my ceramic perp calendar, sold it for $165, so that's a $30,000 up. Oh, that's nice. There's nothing else in there. We're just gonna move this stuff out of the way. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's focus in on that. That's what we deserve. That's what it deserves. CASIO GA2100-VB-1A, the battery life, see manual, $99. Pop that out. Boy, oh boy. It's weird that $100 watches get me going this much, but they do. They really do. You can see we got some lume on that watch, I'm pretty sure. You got your light. Typical stuff going on with it. Metal clasp, it's good. We've got the same thing. Some of these GA2100s come with a plastic clasp. Big turnoff for me. Whoa, what are we doing here? We caught in this? Yeah, I think we are. There we go. I'm just gonna pull this out. I've been waiting to do this unboxing. I literally saved this for last. I know I'm such a nerd. I'm a watch nerd, I know. G-Shock. Embark into the world of virtual reality with the GA2100, GA900, and GA700 G-Shock. Analog digital cases. The basic black coloring of these watches are accented by blue violet, which creates a futuristic atmosphere of virtual reality for these classic analog digital watches. So they're getting all metaversey on us. We got the carbon core guard. Cool thing about this too, I think the G056, G056 is the original. You have the 11 millimeter, which is super thin. This is not as thin, still a 45 millimeter watch. So I like that they're going smaller. I'm a big fan of that. I said that in videos before. Love that they're going smaller. Getting back into that trend. That's the trend to be in, I feel. All three of these are out of stock. It's a good thing people got them when they could, because you can't now. The analog digital GA2100-VB-1A takes a dive into the world of virtual reality. The basic black coloring of the watch is accented by blue violet, which creates a futuristic atmosphere of virtual reality for the GA2100 with octagonal bezel, the AP Royal Oak bezel. Now, I was just reading off of the website. Shock resistant, 200 meter water resistant, carbon core guard case. Can't beat that. Pretty solid. 3-year battery life on the SRS 726Ws. Takes 2 of them. 46.2 by 42.9 by 11.2 millimeters. So it is 11.2. Huh, okay. Total weight, 41 Gs. Carbon resin case material with a resin band. See if I pop this off, kind of show you the similarities. We've got 2 of these. This one's a little tarnished. This one, I think this is more of a steel. This is more of a polished. Both have the carbon core guard. I guess the V stands for virtual. Maybe. I don't know. We're going to throw this on the wrist, see how we like it. Obviously, it's the same watch. But I'm wearing a baby blue hoodie. Kind of goes with the whole violet scheme of things. I got this thing cinched down pretty tight. The shock resistant is cool. You got double LED light. LED light for the face, super illuminators, selectable illumination duration. 1.5 seconds or 3 seconds for these. The afterglow. LED backlight for the digital display, super illuminator. Selectable illumination duration, another 1.5 seconds or 3 seconds with afterglow. World time, 31 time zones, 48 cities, coordinated universal times. Daylight savings, on and off. Need to turn that on. 1/100th second stopwatch. Your measuring capacity for the first 60 minutes. I don't know that stuff. I don't know. And after, there's 2 different times. I don't do anything with that, so I'm not even going to tell you that. I'm just going to show you this watch on my wrist. We have 2 of these. One is going to be stored and potentially sold, and another one is going to be saved. And yeah, this is the watch you want for Christmas. I'm just telling you that already. Get this little thumbnail going, huh? Thumbnail? Good thumbnail style? Oh, yeah. I like seeing these next to each other. Had to do it. This thing gets beat up. 5 daily alarms, hourly time signal, hand shift feature, full auto calendar to the year of 2099. Button operation tone, on and off. Does this have it? No, it's off. Regular timekeeping. Oh. Let's pop this off the wrist. I was gonna hook one up to the other band, but I think we're good. Honestly, I'd probably rather just the black. You can swap these out. These actually just lift off. You unscrew this, remove those, and it just lifts up. The hands plug right in. Pretty sweet. Big fan of this. Accuracy. 15 seconds per month. So, 4 months, 1 minute. So it's about 3 minutes a year. We're gonna lose that accuracy. Ooh, my God, I love this thing. I'm glad I got two. I'll list down below. You can actually get them on Amazon, I think, too, but I'll list the Amazon link for just the GA2100s in general, as well as this if I can. Good luck finding one for $100. They're probably gonna go for a little bit more. And Merry fucking Christmas. That's all I got for you. Comment down below if you want. Again, if you subscribe and like the video and comment something, you have the ability to win something for free. Like my little roto wheel that I'm doing. And yeah. So that's all I got for you. To sacrifice to the algorithm gods, the watch gods, the pup gods, the gun gods, the YouTube gods. If you follow this to the T, you will be one of the chosen ones. I'll select one of you at random, and I'll ship you out some stickers and some stuff, maybe a knife, whatever. Yeah, that's not like a mating call. Just trying to help you guys out. Support. I love you guys. Thank you for doing what you do. If you want pup videos, we got those too. Check out the channel. Otherwise, we'll zoom in on those. Have a nice day.